Ever wondered what shapes our world's most incredible landscapes? Discover the breathtaking majesty of these ancient peaks, sculpted by millennia of natural forces. Their towering presence reminds you of Earth's immense power. Protect these vital ecosystems. They hold invaluable biodiversity and inspire awe in everyone. Did you know much of Earth's oxygen comes from these vital lungs? Explore the vibrant emerald canopy of our rainforests, brimming with unmatched biodiversity. Countless species thrive here, creating a complex, interconnected web of life. Protecting these precious habitats preserves our planet's future. Don't just see barren land, uncover the desert's surprising vitality. Witness how life transforms challenges into triumphs, with plants and animals brilliantly adapted to extreme heat. Their resilience reveals nature's incredible ingenuity. Respect these harsh yet beautiful landscapes. Imagine a world without these magnificent icy giants. Arctic glaciers hold ancient secrets, reflecting Earth's climate history in their deep blue ice. Their slow, powerful movement sculpts landscapes and influences global sea levels. Protecting them means preserving a crucial part of our planet. What if I told you life thrives where sunlight can't reach? Deep beneath the ocean, hydrothermal vents create unique ecosystems powered by Earth's internal heat. Discover bizarre creatures flourishing in extreme conditions. They reveal astonishing alternative pathways for life. Could anything match the sheer spectacle of this ancient